Now, my dad is the type of guy that's going to wake up in the middle of his sleep, rain, sleet, snow, come help you out and give you his car when he has no transportation for himself to go to work in the morning. But also for my friends, he's like a father figure. So I asked everybody to pitch in to give him a man cave. So yeah, we decided to build his man cave in his hot as Hades garage, y'all. So most of this video, I'm going to be half naked, but I'm enjoying it because it's a gift from my dad. So we decided on this white grayish color, blue, his favorite color. Yeah, I promise y'all I'm going to fix that. It's not going to look like that, promise. So y'all know I'm a DIY person. I'm going to try to make whatever I can out of what I have. If y'all really about this life, I mean truly about this life, then you know it takes a lot of late night chats on Facebook Marketplace, sneaky leaks at every Goodwill in your area, prideful shame going through people's spring cleaning and leftovers, because you see the potential in everything. But sometimes we do get sidetracked, especially when we're moms or parents and everybody needs you but you, right? And sometimes you don't see those projects till 2 years later. So what I did was take these two big display cases, put them together to add some depth, some hinges, spray painted, and added the third one. Good thing we had the plexiglass, because now he can open it and close it as he please with these magnets. Also, what I found was this cabinet that I actually was going to use for a portable shampoo sink. That project never got finished as well, so I'm going to donate it to his man cave as like a little mini fridge, possible mini bar area in the near future. You are welcome. Yes, it is dangerous out here in these streets, but if you stay safe, y'all, please do not sleep on Facebook Marketplace. I got that mirror for free. It was heavy as hell, but nonetheless, it was free. I had extra hands on deck, so it wasn't that difficult for me to get it done. Thanks to my mom, my sisters helping clean it out, painting and everything, putting them LED lights, helping me move this heavy ass fish tank my dad had. My cousin Cam for coming through and doing things we simply couldn't reach. He worked for food. And my niece and my son, they also helped. They helped paint and things like that. And to my homeboys that actually pitched in and used their muscle, because like I said, my dad has been a father figure to some of my friends too. So altogether, I think we spent maybe $1,300, $1,500. That includes TVs and other things, all the floor mats and everything. Here is the end results. He loved it. He loved it so much that he gave me a hug, y'all. And I do not remember ever getting one of these from him ever in my life. So I know I did something right. I did add some dry erase boards to that little wall over there, because he is very competitive and always like to point in people's face what they did and didn't do while they was working out, between my homeboys, boyfriend, whatever it may be. So thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this process as much as we enjoy actually getting it done for my dad. He's a great guy. And as always, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, and I'll see y'all next time.